You cannot have this challenge if you are sensitive to spicy foods. I am not. Allergic to peppers. I am not. Or pregnant. Am I? Definitely not. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. If you're seeing me for the first time, then my name is Urvashi and today I am going to take up the Jolo Chips challenge, which is absolutely the spiciest chip in the whole world. At least that's what it claims, and the internet is full of it. So I thought there are a lot of things on the internet. Let me try it by myself and then decide. I bought one Jolo chip from Amazon and this costed me like around 184 or 185, and you can get it like under 200 rupees, and as much as I know, there is only one chip inside it, and that too for 200 rupees. I mean, just think about the cost. But I thought it's worth trying one time at least. So the challenge is that after having this chip, I cannot have anything, water, juice, ice, anything for the next 5 minutes, and if I can complete that, then I win this challenge. I just want to show you guys how it looks. I haven't unboxed it yet, and I just want to read a few things from the packet. It's written that one black deadly chip inside. So as I said, there is only one chip, and here it's written that there is a warning, not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat, and it's also written that after this, hell should be easy. I mean, what the hell? I'm a little bit nervous, though I can eat spicy foods. I love spicy foods, but this is like the spiciest chip in the world, so little bit nervous, but I will take up this challenge for the content. So this comes in here actually, and it's written that fear the Ripper. Whenever you're opening the packet, don't open it like very close to your eyes, because मिर्ची थोड़ा आँख में जा सकता है, so खाने के पहले ही हो जाएगा फिर. I have opened the packet, and here is actually one chip, but for some reason, maybe because of the delivery or anything, the chip has been broken to 2-3 pieces. But I have to have the entire chip, because there is only one, and then I have to count for like 5 minutes. So I'll be setting up the timer. So I'm keeping this phone with me and setting up the timer for like 5 minutes. As I said that it got like it's broken, but कोई बात नहीं, जो है पहले निकाल लेते हैं. और कुछ नहीं, अच्छा है थोड़ा सा, और कुछ नहीं है, मैंने निकाल लिया. तो थोड़ा ब्रेक हो चुका है, बट मैं पूरा ही खा लूंगी. Nothing is there, so let me on the timer. Cannot even talk. after taking up this challenge, I've seen people crying, dying, and whatnot. Amma. My throat is literally paining. I cannot even feel anything right now. My ears are literally vibrating and I'm shaking, like literally shaking. Also, I've kept an entire bottle of water. Where's the Maaza? And one Maaza. Like, this was only available right now, because as you can see, it's like 1:20 a.m. at night. So this was what available in my fridge. So just 1 minute 35 seconds to go. I'm shaking. Oh God. Just a minute. Damn it. 1 minute 15 seconds 14. $50, $49, $44. Please do not try this challenge if you are sensitive to spicy foods. God. This is not for you people. You will literally shake. Your body will literally shake and you cannot feel your throat, anything. Okay? So if you don't eat spicy food, do not try this. Okay? Do not try this. Okay? 5 seconds to go. I did it. Come on. I did it. Amma. Okay, so I had like more than half the bottle and now I'm having Maaza. This might help. The effect of having this chip lasts for next 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that's why the challenge is given for 5 minutes, because this challenge is hard for the first 2-3 minutes. बाद का 2 मिनट 3 मिनट हो जाएगा, इसलिए ये चैलेंज 10 मिनट्स का या फिर 15 मिनट्स का नहीं है, बिकॉज तब तक यू विल फील ओके. Okay, even like in this 5 minutes, the last 1 minute I was feeling absolutely, like not absolutely, but I was feeling a bit better. So that's what I'm saying, that the consequence or the effect of this chip lasts for the first 2 to 3 minutes. That's the crucial period. If you can get past that time period, then you have you should be confident that you can complete this challenge. So yeah, I literally tortured my taste buds to make content for you guys. So if this is something that you liked watching, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and share it with others. Comment down your thoughts. Let me know if you have already tried this challenge or if you are planning to take up this challenge. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right next to it, so that every time I upload a video, you get notified about it. And I promise I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, a very good night and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.